welcome back to another Brawl Stars video. This time we are going to do a gun game. First and second lets you move on. Third and fourth you have to stay in your own rarity. We are playing this on Feast or Famine map with Ryan, Kushi and Kaushik and my brother. Okay, so let's start.
Hello guys. Let's start the match.
Are you going mid, Kichu? Wait, Kaushik, you're Shelly only, right? Everyone Shelly, right?
Yeah. I'm Shelly.
So far nothing has happened.
So far I'm having a lot of lag.
Kichu, do you want to go mid?
Yes.
Okay.
Who do I see here?
Lag. Oh, Ryan kills Kushi. So Kushi won't be able to move on. She needs to stay Shelly next match also. We are doing only Shelly because Shelly is the starting brawler. We are considering her as another rarity.
Now I didn't get. Oh shit.
Kaushik, what are you speaking? English or what other language? Okay, who died? Kaushik died.
No, I died.
Oh, Ryan doesn't move on. Oh, Kaushik wins. Okay, Kichu and Kaushik move on to the next rarity, Trophy Road. Ryan and Kushi, Shelly.
Oh.
Trophy Road. Anyone in the Trophy Road you can choose, Kichu. Anyone in the Trophy Road except Shelly. Trophy Road. M's.
What I should do?
I'll be Nita.
Okay, say everyone that you're Nita. Okay, we'll get to know. No, that's good. Any star power is good of M's.
Everybody, I'm Nita.
No, not that one. Go first one only. Yeah, that's good. Okay, start.
I start the
Start.
match.
Ryan, you're Shelly. What are you thinking? You're Shelly only.
I'm thinking star power should I take it or not?
Okay. Okay, next time we are going to play on Acid Lakes.
Am I ready?
Yes,
Okay.
match started.
I don't know.
Next time we are playing on Acid Lakes.
Well,
2 matches in each map.
am I dead yet?
Kushi. Kill Kushi. She won't be able to move on again. Kaushik, kill Oh! Kushi cannot move on still. She'll stay on Shelly.
Don't kill me. Leave me alone.
Kill Kaushik. He won't be able to move on. Yeah. Kaushik should be in Trophy Road. Ryan, you can move on. Ryan's AFK. Kichu is just spinning on Ryan. Well, lagging on Ryan.
Wait,
Boom.
matchmaking. What is matchmaking?
It's not matchmaking. Kichu won it. You're second.
Starting from
Okay,
where?
Kichu, you can go rare. Ryan, you can go Trophy Road. Kaushik, Trophy Road. Kushi, Shelly. Green. Green color. You can't be Shelly. Okay, which brawler you're picking in the rares, Kichu? The green ones. Really? Solo showdown. Okay, let's change it to Acid Lakes. Yes, solo. Okay. So, start.
I start the match. It's not valid. For one game, it can be freedom. Yeah.
This is same as 2000 lakes. It is the exact same, except the middle is more scuffed.
Kaushik is cold.
Kaushik is cold.
Oh no.
I can't believe Kichu went for Poco in a solo showdown match.
I'll just hide and win.
Really? Okay, Kushi needs to still stay on Shelly.
Hey, you CG band.
You CG, right?
I don't know what's happening.
You have a shield, don't worry. Ryan cannot move on. Kaushik and Kichu can move on.
I don't know what's happening.
Oh!
Am I still shooting?
Kichu died. No, you're dead. You can't move on. Kichu needs to move on to super rares. Kaushik can move on to rares. Kaushik, you can move on to these green ones. Which one? Kushi is still on Shelly. Kichu is on super rares. Rico. Okay, good idea. Kichu has not lost a single game. No, he's not lost, I said. What? Guys, can you approve my map? Please, guys. Anyone? No one is coming. Bye. I am forever. I am unsubscribing to all of your channel. Okay, Shivam BSYT. I don't care. Okay, ready up. Shivam BS. Yes. Now I'll have one subscriber less. Ryan will also have one less subscriber. Shivam is unsubscribing to all of our channels. Because we are not approving his map. And I don't know. Okay, Ryan is... Oh, that's Kaushik. Kaushik's primo. Just kill him. He can't go on.
I can't. He is running away. Kaushik, come near
Are you
me.
going mid? Kichu, go mid. Go mid.
Okay.
Yeah, kill Kushi. She'll again stay on Shelly.
I don't know where is Kushi. I am going for the box.
Kushi is there. Bandita Shelly. Yes. Kill Kushi.
I am killing.
Kill Kushi.
Kaushik is.
No,
coming.
kill Kushi. She should stay on Shelly only. That's our goal. No. Okay, use your super on... Oh, yo. Kaushik's not letting you kill Kushi. What a bounce shot, Kichu. What a bounce shot. You're really going for that. Okay, at least you got it. By taking 1,000 damage.
Okay,
Right?
who can?
You're dead.
Is Kushi dead?
No. Kichu, kill Kushi. Kaushik, kill Kushi. Someone kill Kushi.
Team on her. Team on her.
Oh shit, Kushi. Kushi's moving on. Oh, bye. Kushi's on Trophy Road. Kaushik's on rares again. Kichu is on epics. Kichu, you're in your last rarity. And we're playing on Island Invasion.
Why?
Last rarity. Okay, epic.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys, what is that? Okay, ready?
Yeah. What is that? I am
Ryan is on. What are you on? Trophy. Kichu's on epics, the last stage. Go for that box and then go for killing Kushi.
Of course. Oh, who is that? I think.
That's Ryan.
Okay.
leave me alone.
Where is he?
Ryan's dead. Sad Ryan.
I'll go for Kushi. I have my super.
No, you're dead.
Where is Kushi? I need to find her.
That's the best lag I've ever gotten. Ever?
Where are you? I can't find you.
Lag. I got a lag.
Okay. As Kichu is winning every match, we'll do Kichu until chromatics. As he doesn't have legendary, he'll just do mythics and chromatics. Okay.
Okay, Kaushik is killed. I kill Kaushik.
You guys, anyways, won't win. Have that confidence. Okay. Kichu won it. Okay. Kichu is on mythics.
Next me. Now what is
Kichu is on mythics.
me or Byron?
You are on. Did you get second place? You are on epics then. He doesn't have Byron. He has every mythic except Byron. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, good. Good choice, Kichu. Good choice. You can use your gadget to look into the bushes where Ryan will be hiding. Okay, ready up, Kaushik. Ryan, ready up. Rare. then you need to die in the poison wantedly.
Okay, who is that?
Hey, Kushi, you need to die wantedly. You should not attack him. You need to die. Hey, kill Kushi.
Who is it?
Kill Kushi mission.
CG Kausamba.
Kausamba.
Hey, Kushi only
Kaushik
killed.
is not an epic. Kaushik is on rares. Ah! Wow!
I wanna get it lag.
Okay, Kichu moves on to chromatics. The last step. You're on rare. No. Gale, Surge, or Call It. He doesn't have blue, sadly. Choose this only. Yeah.
What is this?
It'll make your enemy slow after every shot.
Oh, come on.
Then what is this?
That if you hit an enemy with your super into a wall, they'll stop for 1 second.
Gale, why?
Okay, ready up, Kaushik. Ready up, Ryan. Ready up, Kushi.
Selecting the star power.
Star power. Wow. This is a very funny video. Well, I feel like it.
I got
By the way,
noise.
we are recording this on 31st December, New Year's Eve. Tomorrow is New Year, and I'm so excited.
3 hours.
Yes.
Not 3.
Lag.
6 hours.
Lag.
Okay, Kichu's lagging.
Okay.
Oh,
Someone is there.
Someone's there.
Hey, you.
That's Ryan.
I think Kaushik.
That's Ryan.
Game, I have no lag. Leave me alone.
Hey, you. Cheater.
I'm not even there.
Even I have a lag.
Kaushik is just cheating, so let's just not care about him.
Hey, you.
Kichu, you're lagging.
No, I'm not lagging. Someone is spectating me.
Well, that's spectator.
Let's see if Kichu can win this.
Yes.
Someone died.
I think I'll win. If I lose,
Someone died quickly.
I don't know what to do.
I need to move on the next. Someone die, please.
Kichu, if 2 people are left, and if it's showdown, Kichu wins. Like Kichu wins the whole gun game.
Okay. Kushi,
That is so fast.
teaming on Kichu.
We are teaming on Kushi.
No, we're teaming on Kichu.
Kichu.
Okay, CG
That's
ban.
Ryan. Ryan's AFK. Well, does it seem like us to?
Hey, Ryan, why are you
Yes, easy.
escaping?
Push him, push him, push him. Yes, good boy.
Oh.
Yes, Kichu won it. Kichu just jump into the poison now. Whee! Just to end the match quick. Yes.
You just got some health.
Whee! Okay, guys, we'll be ending